Welcome to the world of woodworking, where creativity meets sustainability. In recent years, the craft has experienced a renaissance, driven by a growing appreciation for handmade items and an increasing awareness of environmental issues. Woodworkers today are not just artisans. They're storytellers who breathe new life into reclaimed and organic materials, transforming them into functional works of art. This journey into woodworking offers countless opportunities for creativity, self-expression, and the chance to create pieces that resonate with both the maker and the consumer. Each project reflects a commitment to craftsmanship, sustainability, and the beauty of nature, inviting you to explore the myriad possibilities that wood has to offer. As you delve deeper into woodworking, you'll discover the rich history and traditions that accompany this craft. From the tactile joy of working with different types of wood to the satisfaction of creating something both beautiful and useful, woodworking embodies a unique blend of artistry and practicality. If you're enjoying the journey through woodworking and the creativity it inspires, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content that delves into the art of crafting with reclaimed and organic materials. Your support means the world to us, and by liking and sharing our videos, you help spread the passion for sustainable woodworking to a wider audience. We encourage you to stay with us until the end of this video, where we'll uncover even more tips, techniques, and inspiration that can elevate your woodworking projects. Together, let's celebrate the beauty of handcrafted items and the stories they tell, all while embracing eco-friendly practices that benefit our planet. Woodworking has long been a cherished craft, merging artistry with functionality. In recent years, there's been a noticeable shift towards using reclaimed and organic materials, reflecting a growing awareness of sustainability. This movement not only benefits the environment, but also attracts a clientele that values authenticity and craftsmanship. By utilizing old wood, artisans can create unique pieces that carry a story, making them more appealing to buyers who appreciate the narrative behind their purchases. The beauty of working with reclaimed wood lies in its character. Each piece has a history, often exhibiting weathered textures, rich patinas, and distinctive grain patterns that cannot be replicated. This intrinsic uniqueness adds value to the products crafted from such materials. Entrepreneurs can capitalize on this appeal by sourcing local reclaimed wood, thus reducing their carbon footprint while supporting their community. Crafting items from these materials can also foster a connection between the artisan and the customer, as each product becomes a testament to sustainable practices. Incorporating organic wood into projects enhances the aesthetic and tactile qualities of the final product. Organic wood, sourced from responsibly managed forests or reclaimed from various structures, offers a natural beauty that synthetic materials cannot match. By highlighting the organic nature of their products, artisans can cater to environmentally conscious consumers who prioritize sustainability in their purchasing decisions. This approach not only aligns with modern consumer values, but also positions the business as a leader in sustainable practices. Crafting simple, functional items allows for rapid production and sale. Items that serve everyday purposes, like organizers, simple furniture, or decorative pieces, are ideal for quick turnover. By focusing on functionality, artisans can appeal to a broader market. Customers are often looking for practical additions to their homes that also reflect their values, making this an ideal niche for woodworking entrepreneurs. The simplicity of the designs can also facilitate easier marketing and demonstration, crucial factors for rapid sales. Networking with local artisans and participating in community markets can significantly enhance visibility for a woodworking business. Engaging with potential customers in person offers an opportunity to share the stories behind the reclaimed wood and the crafting process. This personal touch fosters trust and builds a loyal customer base. Workshops and demonstrations can also be effective in showcasing the craft and educating consumers about the benefits of reclaimed and organic materials, further enhancing community engagement. Online platforms provide additional avenues for reaching a wider audience. Creating an online store or leveraging social media can help artisans showcase their work and share their philosophies about sustainability and craftsmanship. High-quality images and engaging narratives about the materials and processes used in crafting can draw in customers. By highlighting the unique aspects of reclaimed wood and the artistry involved, businesses can attract those who appreciate the fusion of functionality and aesthetics. Sustainability is not just a trend. It's a movement that resonates with consumers today. As awareness about environmental impact grows, more people are inclined to support businesses that prioritize eco-friendly practices. By emphasizing the use of reclaimed and organic wood, woodworking artisans can position themselves as part of this essential shift. This commitment to sustainability can enhance brand loyalty and encourage repeat business, as customers feel good about their purchases. Moreover, there is an increasing demand for custom and personalized items. Woodworkers can offer tailored solutions that cater to individual preferences, enhancing the perceived value of their products. Custom pieces made from reclaimed would not only meet specific needs, but also maintain the unique charm associated with the material. This bespoke approach can set a woodworking business apart in a competitive market, allowing for premium pricing and increased profitability. In addition to individual sales, collaborations with interior designers or local businesses can further expand the reach of a woodworking venture. Designers often seek unique materials and craftsmanship for their projects, and partnering with them can lead to bulk orders and greater visibility. This symbiotic relationship can be mutually beneficial, allowing woodworkers to showcase their work in high-profile settings while enabling designers to offer distinctive pieces to their clients. Lastly, storytelling is a powerful tool in marketing woodworking products. Sharing the origins of the reclaimed wood, the inspiration behind the designs, and the crafting process can create a deeper connection with customers. Engaging narratives can transform a simple purchase into a meaningful experience, fostering emotional ties that encourage customer loyalty. By emphasizing the values of sustainability and craftsmanship, woodworkers can cultivate a brand that resonates with discerning consumers. Woodworking business, particularly when focused on reclaimed and organic materials, offers a wealth of opportunities for artisans. By emphasizing simplicity and functionality, while maintaining a commitment to sustainability, woodworkers can create compelling products that appeal to a conscientious market. Engaging with the community, leveraging online platforms, and fostering personal connections through storytelling will not only enhance sales, but also contribute to a thriving, responsible business model. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in our woodworking journey. If you found the content inspiring and valuable, please consider liking the video, as it helps us reach more enthusiasts like you. Sharing it with friends and fellow woodworking lovers can spread the passion for craftsmanship and sustainability even further. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting insights, tips, and projects that celebrate the art of woodworking. Your support is crucial in helping us create a community dedicated to the beauty of handmade items and eco-friendly practices. We look forward to sharing more with you soon.